Oh no, there's a line. I wonder if it takes too long.
Sir, please wait a minute.
Hi sir, can I wait this?
Hi sir, this is your 10 pieces Lazarda.
Here, I want to buy this one.
Please wait a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi ma'am, these 3 items are still not currently in stock. However,
That's so unbelievable. What kind of pharmacy is this? You don't have a stock?
ma'am, ang ibig ko po sabihin, wala pa kami stock, pero meron po kami
No, no, no,
generic.
no. No, 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 no. You shut up. I don't want that kind of generic brand. I want a original brand. I want that kind of brand. No.
Hi ma'am, na-triple check na po namin yung stocks namin. Pero po kasi yung sinisigurado ko po yung generic na po ito, pareho lang po
No.
kasing effective lang po.
You don't
ng
get it. I've been waiting here for about 30 minutes and ayan ang sasabihin mo sa akin.
Ma'am, I understand the frustration. Kung gusto niyo po, tatawagan ko po yung ibang branches pa kung meron po silang stock.
No. Hindi mo ba ako naiintindihan? Sabi ko, kanina pa ako nag-iintay dito and papaintayin mo na naman ako. Are you stupid? Seryoso ba? Pharmacist ka talaga niyan. Hindi mo maintindihan yung simpleng gusto ko.
Kaya po-
I'm a customer here. Tama ako. Sa kahit saan mo patignan na sitwasyon, I'm always right.
Kaya po ma'am, na-check na po namin, pero generic lang po yung
No.
meron sa amin.
You know what? I don't want this and I don't want your generic branch.
Edit ko na ng maayos.
Tulog kita dito.
What's up, bro?
Uy, what's up?
Your friend this isn't right.
Yes, I'm busy friend.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
By the way, you got a good drink. How much for that?
Oh, it's just only 60 pesos.
Okay, I will buy. Thanks for that.
Oo, okay.
50?
Hey, why'd you lie to him?
What? What you did is not cool, man. You lied to him. You didn't tell him the actual price.
The actual price, man. Just chill, bro. It's just a prank.
What do you mean a prank? If it wasn't for
I'm
me,
just
if it
kidding,
wasn't
bro.
for me, he wouldn't be able to afford it. Ba't mo niloko?
Sorry, bro. Kala ko rich kid ka rin, pre. Pwedeng bayaran ko na lang yung kulang mo.
Sure. Basta wag mo nang ulitin.
Sure, never do that again. Promise.
The chemistry quiz was so hard, guys. What was your scores?
I don't know. I think I failed it.
How about you? It's not too hard for me. Wow.
I think a little bit low.
It's a bit low.
Yeah, how about you?
I'm really confident about my score, actually. Is that Lay? Over
Oh,
there?
yeah. It's late.
It's Lay. You guys know his score was really low? He was actually studying the whole night. We had no sleep last night.
Yeah, he chat me nga eh. Sabi niya daw, talagang nag-focus siya mag-review for that chemistry quiz.
His score is just like pamasahe lang sa LRT.
Really?
But that was hard talaga. That quiz was so hard.
Anyways, it's time. I think I should go.
No, yeah.
I have to go
Yeah.
to.
I have to go to.
We need to go rin.
Bye-bye.
Inang yan!
Uy, Lay, Ram told us that your score was so low na para daw pamasahe lang sa LRT. And sabi niya pa, nag-aral ka daw buong gabi, then you got still a low score? You're so bobo pa nga daw eh, sabi niya. Yan, okay lang yun.
Hi guys.
Uy!
So, I forgot my phone.
Rob, can we talk?
Yeah? What?
She told me na sinabi mo sa akin ang bobo ko. Score ko pamasaya lang sa LRT.
What I
Ito
meant,
parang kasing ano eh. Pre, parang ang sakit nun.
I know, it just, I didn't mean it like that. What I meant is I felt bad that you studied so hard last night. I never intended for it to be in that way, offensive way. So, wait, that's it. I just felt bad.
Wait,
how...
I get what you mean. So, you misunderstood him.
Yes, very much.
I don't
Yes.
know. Maybe, technically.
Since nagulat kasi ako kasi matagal na kami magkaibigan. So, it's not, alam mo yun, kilala ko na siya.
Well, I understand your frustration because he's your best friend. Maybe it's my fault. That kind of situation
No,
here.
it was never your fault. I should have confronted you first.
Minsan kasi pre, dapat sa atin lang. Hindi ko sinabi sa'yo na sabihin mo sa iba. Kasi kaya nga sinabi ko sa'yo kasi tayo lang dapat makakaalam nun. Yes.
Well, I'm so sorry guys for sending some wrong idea and rumors.
It's okay. It's okay.
Muntik pang magkalamat yung friendship nyo. I'm so sorry guys.
I hope we can still be friends.
Yeah, I'm so sorry guys.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.